Point to me a kid that doesn't like to play with Lego, Meccano, or any other do-it-yourself kit. Children become adults eventually, even if just with their bodies. That's what the EU Agency for Cybersecurity thinks as well. That we remain kids at heart, kids in love with do-it-yourself kits. Based on that idea, ENISA built and released AR in the Box, or in plain English, Awareness Raising Program Do-It-Yourself Kit. It was conceived to promote good practices and induce change in the cybersecurity culture of employees and ultimately the society at large. What could an AR in a box include? A guideline on how to build a custom awareness program in an organization. A guideline on creating an awareness campaign targeted at external stakeholders. Instructions on how to select the appropriate tools and channels to best match the target audience. Instructions on selecting the right metrics and developing key performance indicators to evaluate the program or campaign. A guide for the development of communication strategy, which is indispensable for the achievement of awareness objectives. An awareness-raising game, provided in different versions and styles, along with a guide on how it is played. An awareness-raising quiz. The effort is not a one-off. The page will be regularly updated and enriched. For more information, you can follow the dedicated page on ENISA's site. I have to admit that I was surprised that the new organism of the EU starts moving actually practical things. I might even consider using it. For the full episode and mentioned resources, you know where to find us. Oh, you don't? Head out to 505updates.com and subscribe for more content. We post daily, Monday to Friday. This was Olimpiu Pop reporting from Transylvania, Romania.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.